Hello everyone and welcome back here to our small backyard garden, start a small garden channel. Happy summer. So today I'm going to share with you guys on how to grow a dwarf mulberry tree. This is our 2 years old dwarf mulberry tree, which is growing in zone 9A in Florida. So this the type of trees are really amazing understory and really perfect for small food forest or small backyard garden. So this is a really pretty amazing tree because it's really great to grow in full sun. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Even though it says a dwarf, it's still just growing really spread out branches and get a really pest free. So far have not encountered pests with it, and it's really growing well. We have mulch them with dried leaves and pine needles, and so far the branches are really growing and thriving really well. And this is one of the example. This is less than a year old mulberry tree, which have grown from cuttings, and as you can see guys, it is growing as well. Since it is a bit windy and location, I use it as well as windbreaker, and at the same time I like a fence around the garden, because sometimes when it's summertime it can be really very hot here. I plant them along with garlic and onions to prevent pests and some for healthy roots as well. And these are some of the cuttings that planted directly. You can put some rooting hormones, plant them in pots for a while if you are not yet ready to plant them in ground, or really you can plant them without rooting hormones, but rooting hormones can really fasten their rooting process. So see, I just stick them on the ground along with a cactus in a pot, since I don't have any space yet for them right now. So they are really amazing multi-purpose tree, because you can use them in many different ways, and I'm gonna show you guys. So this one so far from the first tree that was growing, they use some of the branches, and since they are very flexible, and they can be used other twigs and branches to make like trellis for beans and climbing plants, and they are a great alternative for bamboo, especially if it's not available around your areas or you don't have right now. So this is what I'm trying to use in the garden, and try to reduce using plastic for trellis. So it is a great shade tree, like shrub. Others consider shrubs, but really it's like a small tree, and really perfect for a small backyard garden, because in this summer heat, sometimes if you don't have a shading cloth or under storage trees or big shrubs, it helps protect this small vegetables or plants, and it planted them along with pigeon peas. Have you grown mulberry tree before? Please comment down below guys. I would like to hear from you. And for ground cover, you can use leaves for mulch, or you can grow as well as sweet potatoes to protect them, as well as a really great ground cover for this type of trees. So there you guys, that's how to grow mulberry trees for a small backyard garden, or really can grow in small containers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!